smoke, then let's get it in. If I shoot, then I miss and I'm gonna spin again.
J Dottie.
Hey, sugar daddies.
Hold on.
Don't.
Let her out, wait.
Mario Judah?
Yo, Tana? You look like baby Saint Tana.
That nigga look like, I don't fear no man.
Hold on, let me pause
You look mad young.
Man, young. Well, actually, I ain't gonna let you on here. It's still, I feel like I was like 53 something. I'm actually like 13.
And that right there, you're done.
What's up, bitch ass nigga?
Yo, you the Frank, nigga.
Nigga.
Yeah, what he said, man.
Nigga.
Yeah,
up, boy.
Man, stop
Shut
acting
up,
like
boy.
that, nigga.
Shut up,
I've been
boy.
in prison
Shut
for
up, boy.
10 years, nigga. I don't care about no
Man,
pussy, nigga.
nigga,
I consider for some
I don't
butt.
care.
I consider for
I'ma
some
take it.
butt.
And I'ma take it.
I
I'ma
take your
I'ma
butt.
take your butt, nigga.
I'ma take your
it.
butt.
I'ma
Nigga,
take
I
it.
lick that ass like a lollipop, nigga.
Yo.
I know how shit work over
No.
here.
No.
That's crazy, bro.
Alright, y'all took it too far, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, she did have a point, I'm not gonna lie.
She did have a yo, you see that, right? I think I saw like a gray hair.
I was getting old.
I start freestyling.
Bust down Rolly, Avalanche. Yeah, my old
No. Your own thing. Do your own shit.
That is my own shit.
That's not your own shit, bro.
How is it not my own shit?
My nigga, just start freestyling, bro. You got the whole mic. You got the setup. Start freestyling.
I was just freestyling.
Then no, my nigga, you're freestyling some next shit, fam. Alright, you know what? Run it again. Rerun it. Reload it.
Bust down Rolly, Avalanche. Yeah, my old bitch average. This my first time rapping it. I might go retarded shit.
Bro, your bridge.
Okay, bro.
I'm gonna keep saying that shit. How do you say that? How do you say it?
Can I ask y'all a question?
Yeah.
Can y'all be my sugar daddy?
How old are you?
Old enough.
Nah, how old are you?
19.
And you want me to be your sugar daddy?
Yeah.
I'm 18.
Okay. You could be my young sugar daddy. Fuck.
You should be getting more money than I do.
Okay, I could get more money by y'all. What the fuck? But I want y'all both though. Y'all both gotta be my sugar daddy.
No, ma'am.
Somebody FaceTime me. Yeah, what's your number?
Yeah.
You ruined it. Alright.
My fault, bro. I was just playing.
What's I got a question for you.
What's up?
You got dingleberries?
What?
You got dingleberries?
Boy. I like dick.
Yo.
Y'all look like TikTokers.
It wasn't.
Everybody was saying that. I hate fat bitches, bro. I don't even think she was fat, but I still hate them.
Don't ever take my donuts, bitch.
Oh, nah.
What up?
What's good? Yo, white boy, say nigga.
Shut it before I grab it. Twist it.
White boy Carl, you know.
Shut it
What
before
up,
I
nigga?
grab it. Twist it.
Yo, spit some hot shit right now.
Yo, bust down Rolly Avalanche.
That shit ass. Dickhead.
Yo, eat a Frank, nigga. How old are you?
19.
I'm 18. I don't know if you mind.
Hey, how tall are you?
I'm 5'9".
Oh, they're a bit taller than you.
How tall are you?
Who, me? I'm 5'11".
Yo, Aaron, she told yo, Aaron, yo.
Bro, she's basically my height. Bro. She's 2 inches shorter than me, bro.
Yo.
That's not cool.
Yo. Ooh.
You're gay. Yo.
Oh my goodness, it's the dreadhead niggas. What up?
Oh, dread.
What you got up under there?
I don't got shit. I'm bored.
Oh, that boy fresh to death. Stop playing.
You bald? Let me see.
He got a booty fade under
Well,
there.
your head is hella big then, cause it look big. It look like something big.
He got a booty fade.
I got starter locks.
He got a boost back. He's lying. He got a
I got
boosty
what?
fade.
You want to see my lock?
He got a sky top.
Hold on, let me take my wig off. Let me take my wig off.
Okay.
Ah, now I'm putting my wig back on.
You know Agent 00?
My shit better.
No.
You don't know
My shit
Agent?
better.
I mean, no. No, nigga.
Agent 000 or whatever his name is.
Oh, yeah. Like, yeah?
You know?
I mean, like, the game?
Nah.
I'm confused.
It's a person. He like they type famous.
You said what?
They type famous. It's a person.
But yeah, I'm pretty yeah, like from like the game in the movie, right?
Nah, bro. You say you look like this.
I can't read.
Yeah. If it's smoke, then let's get it in. If I shoot, then I miss and I'm gonna spin again. Yeah, you got max hands, how about that minivan? Yeah, send out every shot I can, cause I don't give a damn. Every day I pray that God forgive me for my sins. Burning incense in my house, I need a cleanse.